Took a little pill just to calm down. Something's happening.
Hi, I'm Brad from Green Clean, and when I started doing this work for nature 2.5 years ago, one of the things I wanted to do was not only clear up the sky and the trails in the sky and make the weather better, but clean up the water. And we've been doing that with some balls and some blocks that work with resonance, but now we're stepping it up a notch. So here we have a fire pump and we have a superstructuring unit from Clayton that we sell on the website, and we're recycling it through the tank, building up the structuring. So after it's cycled through many times, it becomes highly structured. So we're going to give this water to the creek to remove the stagnation and clean it up. Alright, so now we're pumping superstructured water into the creek. Some people might think, why are you doing that? Well, superstructured water is the perfect hexagonal molecule of water. So when you have a perfect atom of water, which is in a hexagonal form, it talks to all the other water. So any stagnation that's in this creek, see how it's a bit dirty and a bit manky? By structuring the water and throwing one of our balls in, we will come back in a week and hopefully see an amazing transformation. So on an energetic level, it's making the water more energetic, making the surroundings have more life force, and cleaning up the water. So the whole idea is to restore this, get it vibrating high, and get it looking really beautiful. So today you can actually see the bottom. I hope that does it justice. There's lots of fish in here which I didn't see yesterday before we treated it. So overnight it's much clearer, much cleaner. I'm gonna have a swim. Alright Chris, so we just swam in the water, and could you tell the camera, speak loudly, how was the quality of the water?
Yeah, it's much clearer than yesterday. Well, yesterday was a bit murky.
Yeah.
And then look how nice clear. You can see the fish and tadpoles, so we just jumped in, nice and fresh. So
Yeah, no, we just had a swim, and I couldn't see any fish yesterday. Now we got fish.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have swum in there yesterday. We got the butterflies hanging around.
Yeah.
And now it's a good swimming hole, yeah?
Yeah, much better.
Okay, so this is under the M1 freeway. Really dirty, stagnant water under the highway where all the cars pollute their fuel and rubbish and all sorts of stuff. So this is the perfect test for the recycled superstructuring water. So we're gonna just show the quality of the water, and we're gonna treat it, and then we're gonna check in again after to see if it's any cleaner. This is a water structuring unit on here, and a fire pump and a reservoir. So we recycle the water through, it becomes highly structured, and then I'm gonna start it up and treat the water. Alright, 1 week later, same spot. Treated this water with superstructured water 3 times this week as I was driving past. And look at it, so much better. There's not much of that film left, much more oxygen bubbles. The water is alive again, a lot more movement. So that's just one of our special balls, and also superstructured water, and we do all this for free in nature to help the water, help nature. So this is under a freeway, lots of pollution. Much better now. So I had people bagging me out saying that you couldn't see the difference in the water since we treated it. What happened to all that pollution? There was a big film above the water. All this pollution under the bridge. All this oil and film, and it's all gone now. So that's from putting structured water in, superstructured water, a ball, and allowing a couple weeks for the water to rearrange itself. So I would swim in there now. There's no way in hell you would have got me in there before, but this is what it does. So for all the haters out there, the proof is in the pudding.